the first part, we will use a 26-hole binder, 2 batteries, a battery case, a foam glue, a quick connector without magnet. And here's a quick connector with a magnet. This will be used later. We first take out the 26-hole binder and the foam glue. We fold it into half. And then we tear up the yellow part of the foam glue. And we fold it together. And then we stick the foam glue on the 26-hole binder. And then we take out the battery case. We open the lid of the battery case, and on the bottom of the case there is a switch. Because we cannot block the switch, and we have to make sure that we can put the battery inside, so it has to be on the top, like this. And then we put the battery inside. And we close the lid. And then we take out the quick connector. To use the quick connector, if we want to open the hole on the left, we just press the front. And we want to open the hole on the right, we press the front. Yes. And then we connect it with the gold and silver wire. One wire goes in one hole. Like this. In the second part, we will use a black and red wire, a quick connector with magnet, a blue LED light, this is the long leg and this is the short leg. The long leg represents the positive pole and the short leg represents the negative pole. We connect the LED light with the quick connector. And then we connect the red wire to the positive pole of the light. We curl the wire to make it smooth so it is easier to put in the hole. And then to test if it works, we take out the thing we made in the first part. The gold wire represents the positive pole, the silver wire represents the negative pole, so the red wire goes with the gold wire and the black goes with the silver one. And then we turn on the switch and it shines. In the third part, we will use a black and red wire, a green LED light, The long leg represents the positive pole and the short leg represents the negative pole. Then we take out the resistor. It has to be brown, black, black. And then the 3-hole quick connector with magnet. We connect the quick connector with the LED light. We choose 2 holes from the quick connector. Because this hole is the longer leg, so we take out the resistor and we fold it. And we connect the resistor with the short leg of the LED light. Like this. And then we take out the black and red wire. We connect the black wire to the resistor and the red wire to the positive pole of the LED light. And then we take out the thing we made from the first part and we connect the red wire to the gold wire. And then the black wire to the silver one. And then we turn on the switch and it shines. In the fourth part, we will use a black and red wire, a red LED light, the long leg represents the positive pole and the short leg represents the negative pole. And we take out the resistor. It's a yellow, purple, black resistor. And then we will use a 3-hole quick connector with magnet. And we connect the LED light with the 3-hole quick connector. We choose 2 holes and 1 foot goes in 1 hole. And this one is the negative pole, so we use the resistor and we fold it. And we connect the resistor with the negative pole of the LED light. And then we take out the black and red wire. The black one goes with the resistor. And the red one goes with the positive pole of the LED light. And then to test if it works, we take out the thing we made in the first part. And we connect the red wire with the gold one. And the black one with the silver one. And then we turn on the switch and it shines. In the last part, we will use the thing we made before. We will combine them all together. We gather all the red wire and then we wind them up so it will be easier to be put in the hole. And then we connect it with the gold wire. Then we gather all the black wire and again we wind them up. and we connect it with the silver one. Like this. And then we turn on the switch and it shines. Then we turn it off, and then we put all the LED lights behind on the back of the 26-hole binder. And we turn on the switch again. Now I want to teach you how to play the colorful shadow. First step, we align the 3 lights to 1 point. And the second step, we take out Kevin the Minion! And we will see colorful shadow on the wall.